first I've gained some knowledge about linear algebra and Jacobian matrix, which is very hard for me actually when I was studying at my school. And the second one must be the ROS system. I love it. It makes communication between several different programs really easy and making everything just convenient for me.
In my school, the projects are usually only on computers, but now we made a connection around the robot and the computer, and now to have both of them was very interesting.
When I see the robot can move up and down and the legs can move, I feel very proud of in my heart. Yes.
I would encourage people to join this course because not only talking about technical stuff, but also the complete experience was really nice as you were able to meet people from all around the world. You can know about the city, to know about how his experience of studying here in Europe. So it was a complete great experience for me.
I'm very proud of myself that I come to Europe for the first time and I can communicate with people easily. I also learned some words here like Guten Morgen.